Hello guys, welcome back for another question from the topic integral functions, and let us see what does our question say. So we have to integrate some function, and our function is 1 upon sin square x into cos square x, and we have to integrate this function with respect to x. So how do we approach this question? As you can very well see that we do not have anything in denominator except 1. So what we can do, you may try to partially separate the expression. I don't remember the exact term for this thing. What I mean is that if you are given a function that looks like 1 upon fx, then it can be written something as a upon gx plus b upon hx. This is the thing that I want to convey over here. I don't remember the exact term that what we call this thing. So how can we do that? We can do that by replacing 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x. We know sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So we can replace 1 by sin square x plus cos square x, and then we can proceed further. So now let us see what they have done. Okay, so yeah, they have written 1 as sin square x plus cos square x, as sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Now moving to the next slide. Yeah, so they have distributed the numerator in two parts, sin square x upon sin square x cos square x. This is the first part, and this is the second part. So this way this thing gets cancelled and this thing gets cancelled. So now what do we have? We have sec square x and cosec square x, and we already know the integration of both these standard functions, or we can say expressions. Integration of sec square x is tan x, and integration of cosec square x is cot x. So now moving to the next step. So yeah, this is it. Integration of sec square x tan x, the integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. So that is our final integration, and I hope you all got it. Thank you and have a nice day.